Have you ever felt na kahit kompleto ka na sa lahat, parang may kulang pa rin? Today, let's talk about something very real but often hidden. Yung emptiness na nararamdaman natin inside. Alam mo ba, maraming tao ngayon ang nagkukunwari na malakas sila. Laging naka-smile, laging parang okay, pero sa loob, wasak, pagod, empty. Maybe ikaw mismo nakakaranas ng ganyan. You laugh with friends, post happy pictures, pero sa gabi, umiiyak tayo sa ating kwarto. Alam mo, I want you to know this. God sees your heart. Kahit gaano ka pa magtago, kahit gaano ka pa magkunwari sa labas na malakas ka, kilala ka niya. Sabi nga sa Psalms 34:18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Ang ganda nun, no? Ang Diyos mismo ay malapit sa mga pusong wasak at sa mga espiritong pagod. Hindi siya natatakot sa emptiness natin. Sa totoo lang, siya lang ang pwedeng mag-feel nun. Kaya, kung nararamdaman mong may kulang, don't run to temporary fillers. Hindi material things, hindi relationships, hindi rin achievements. Kasi lahat yan lilipas at hindi makakasatisfy nito. Pero si Christ, He alone can fill the emptiness inside of you. I experienced that myself. May mga panahon na kahit marami akong nagawa, marami akong accomplishments, parang empty pa rin ako. Pero nung lumapit ako kay Jesus at sinabi kong, Lord, punuin mo yung kulang sa puso ko. Doon ko lang naranasan yung tunay na peace at satisfaction. Kaya, my dear friend, ikaw na nanonood ngayon, baka ito rin yung invitation ng Diyos sa iyo ngayon. Stop pretending you're okay, but be real with God. Kahit ano pa yung tinatago mo, He already knows and He already loves you. So, my encouragement for you today is to open your heart to Jesus. Let Him fill the emptiness inside because only He can truly satisfy. Kung nakaka-relate ka dito, share this message to someone who needs it. Don't forget to like, follow, and share para hindi ka mahuli sa mga susunod nating short faith talks. Always remember, when you feel empty, God is ready to fill you. God bless you, kapatid.